Good morning, this is Keith All, and welcome back to another amazing tips, tricks, and hacks using the Builderall platform. Today we're going to learn two simple things. One is going to be where you could use an image to make it look like it has a 3D effect. And the second thing is we're going to be learning some animation effects. So if I scroll down on this published site, let's scroll down and let's get right here. This is one effect that we're going to learn here. It's an image and it looks like there's like what it is, it's a shadow behind it, but it kind of makes it look like there's a 3D effect. The second thing, if we scroll down and watch what happens to animation. So the animation right here. So basically this animation is set at when visible. So what that means is when you first load up your site, and if you set the animation to be when visible, that means this animation will take effect only at the time when it's first loaded. So if I scroll back up to the top, and if I scroll back down, this animation is not going to happen again because the web page is already loaded. But if I refresh it, and if I scroll all the way down, the animation will happen again because it acts like it was the first time that it became visible on a web page. So let's see how these two things, how we could achieve these two techniques. So let's go back to the editor. Basically, it's already done. So to create this 3D effect, or in this case, it's a shadow, what I did was there's this box element. So within the box element, you could set an image to it. So if I select edit and then come to the background settings, you could change your image right here. And then, once you click on change image, it's going to go to your library. So I already uploaded files, so I'm not going to do that again, but I'm going to click on cancel. So we use the box element. We change the background settings to have, instead of a color, we're going to use an image. And then what we're going to do, we're still going to edit this, but what we're going to do is we're going to go to the shadow settings, and this is where we get this 3D effect. It's a shadow set to a particular color that I set here, and all we're doing is using the horizontal offset of the shadows. Now, so watch what happens to the shadow once I adjust it. See, you could adjust it to the left or right to the effect that you want to get. And you could also do the vertical offset. So it could be on the top or it can be more towards the bottom. Again, it's a setting that you will have to play around with to get the effect that you want. So that's how you could create a 3D effect for one of your images. Now let's go down here and let's find that animation effect. So what this is just a box element, okay? And we adjusted the size to whatever we want. Okay. Now, once we edit it, we're going to go down to the animation settings for that box element. So here's the animation settings. Let's open this up. And the animation, like I said in the beginning, I'm going to set it to when visible. Again, to explain that further, this animation only takes place when you first load up your web page. That's what when visible means. and I selected the effect of fade in from the left. Okay, and you could set the speed of the animation effect. Okay, I set it to slower, and let's see this animation effect. See, basically what it does, it fades in from the left and it paints the entire element on your screen. In this case, it's a box element, so it's going to fade in and paint this box element like what we saw over here. So let's go over to the live site. Let's refresh. And let's scroll down. And see how it paints over from the left to the right until it's fully displayed. So hopefully these two tips gave you some neat things to implement into your website development for your clients. Once you learn some of these techniques, you can make really great looking websites that users will enjoy coming to all the time because of the visual effects and any animation effects that you can implement. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification so whenever a new video is ready, you'll be first to be notified. And also please like, share, and comment. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.